Hello all, today we're going to be talking about the exponent rule, the power rule. And you can remember a power is an exponent or something to the second power, for example, or the third power. So we'll start with the joke of the day. Why did the car take a nap? So the exponent power rule states that when a base is raised to an exponent, which is raised to another exponent, those exponents multiply together. So you can see here we have a to the b power in parentheses to the c power, which is equal to a to the b times c. So you multiply those exponents. So now let's look at some examples. Example number 1. What is an expression in its simplest form equivalent to 2a to the second power, a to the 7th power, b to the 4th power, in parentheses to the 5th power, in the form a to the m, b to the n? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to combine here in parentheses. So according to PEMDAS, right, we need to do whatever's in parentheses. And I can see these a's have the same base, so we can add the exponents. So it's going to be 2 to the a, and then 2 plus 7 is 9, and then b to the 4. Let me write that 4 smaller. And so now we need to distribute the 5 to everything in parentheses. To the 2, to the 2, to the a, to the b. So then we'll have 2 to the 5th power. A to the 9 times 5 is 45. Oh, and it's 2 to the 5th power because right here technically we have, this is 2 to the 1 power. And then b to the 4 times 5 is 20. And so 2 to the 5th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 5 times. And so 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Times 2 is going to be 32. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. This is a to the 45, and this is b to the 20th. And so that is our final answer. Okay, let's look at another example. Example number 2. What is an equivalent expression to the following? A times p times v to the 7th, in parentheses, to the 2nd power, times 2 times p times v to the 8th, in the form a times p to the m, v to the n. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to distribute the exponent. So exponents come first before multiplication, so we're going to multiply the 8 and the 2 after, and the p's and the v's. But first we need to do the exponents. So we'll distribute the 2 to everything in parentheses, and we'll have 8 to the 2nd power, p to the 2nd power, and v to the 7 times 2 is 14. And then I'm just going to bring down the 2p v to the 8th power. And so 8 to the 2nd power is 64. And then now we can use the product rule since we have some of the same bases here. So 64 times 2 is going to be 128. And then the p's will combine, so there's an invisible 1 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3, so p to the 3rd. And then v to the 14th times v to the 8. Well, 14 plus 8 is going to be 22. And so this is my final answer. Alrighty, back to the joke of the day. Why did the car take a nap? It was tired. Well, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.